Hey, British Columbia, Sheldon, truck hunter BC, working out of Willowbrook Chrysler, 19611 Langley Bypass, Langley, BC. I'm here with the 2022 Ram 1500 limited edition, and this one does have the 3-liter diesel in it. Beautiful truck, fantastic engine, 480 pounds of torque means that you're still going to be able to tow 9,700 pounds with it while enjoying best-in-class fuel economy with this diesel. It does come, of course, as a limited, fully loaded spray and liner. Does have your rear power slider window, chrome tip dual exhaust. Does have the bigger wheels on it, the polished alloys, which is a really nice look. Does have your power boards as well. It's running right now pretty quiet, huh, BC? Does have your power boards, as I mentioned now for the second time in 30 seconds. Power driver and passenger seat. Your signature limited leather interior, along with the etched limited logo in it. It does come with collision alert, lane assist, lane departure assist, your full driver safety package, low speed automatic braking for the discount from ICBC, and as you can see, it does have your surround vision camera. It has a left mirror view look, a right mirror view look, your backup camera only, and then a couple of trailer cameras as well when you are under load, towing the trailer for camping, or some toys for play at the lake, or going up to the ski hill, snowmobiling, whatever the case may be. It does have your adjustable air suspension as well, a tow haul mode front and rear park assist, so you can turn those off if you don't like all the beeping. It does have wireless charging, lots of connectivity with the USBs, USCs, and auxiliary port as well. And it does have the big panoramic command view sunroof in it as well, so lets a lot of sunshine in on those rainy winter days out here in the west coast. Lots of room in the back, even if you got teenagers with long legs, still lots of room for them on the road trips. It does have rear heated seats, as well as the front seats being heated, and the front seats are cooled as well. And it does have a 115 volt outlet to go along with it. And there's what the layout of the dash looks like. Beautiful truck. We're starting to land now. We've got different colors in stock too. We take trades, financing on site. We deliver anywhere in BC. We'll get you pre-approved over the phone in a few minutes. Give me a call, British Columbia. In business to do business. My name is Sheldon, 604-362-2922. Call me, BC.